you all? I hope you all are alright at your homes. My friends, this is my 8th vlog about Maruti Baleno and Hyundai i20. In this video, I must clear this before starting the video that जो दो कारें मेरे पास इस वीडियो में हैं दोस्तों वो 2018 मॉडल हैं, पर 2020 में सिर्फ उनके अंदर इंजन में चेंज आया, थोड़े बहुत बाहर का जो बम्पर वगैरह चेंज हुआ बलेनो में, एंड इंटीरियर में एक दो फीचर्स ऐड हुए हैं और एक दो फीचर्स रिमूव किए गए हैं। तो दोस्तों फिक्र मत कीजिए, मैंने वीडियो में वो सारी चीज़ें कवर करी हैं, आपको बिल्कुल भी वो नहीं होगा कि गलत डिटेल दे दी या फिर पुराना मॉडल था या फिर कैसे, मतलब बिल्कुल फर्स्ट क्लास वीडियो में नहीं है, मैंने सारी डिटेल्स वीडियो में डालने की कोशिश करी है। तो देखते हैं वीडियो, बाकी आपको वीडियो में मैं सारी जानकारी देता रहूँगा। आइए दोस्तों, मैंने इस वीडियो में मारुति बलेनो और Hyundai i20 का टॉप से सेकंड मॉडल लिया है जो सबसे ज़्यादा सेल होते हैं, एंड लोगों को इन्हीं मॉडल्स में कन्फ्यूज़न होती है कि हम i20 की तरफ जाएँ कि बलेनो की तरफ जाएँ। दोस्तों इन दोनों ही कारों में पेट्रोल इंजन आता है 1200 सीसी का, एंड डीजल इंजन का ऑप्शन नहीं है BS6 में फ़िलहाल। We get keyless entry in Maruti Baleno. Let's see the front look of this car. The car which I showed was halogen lamp, but now in this model we have got projector LED headlamps, and also we are now getting 16-inch alloy wheels diamond cut. We also get rear washer and wiper in this car. If I talk about rear profile of the car, then we get LED rear braking lamps, and also we get parking sensor, but we do not get any camera in this car. We have space for that camera, but we don't get any camera in this car. And boot space of this car is best in class. I would say it is more than i20 and every other car in this segment. We also get 60:40 folding seat at rear, and we get a space saver tire in this car as a spare tire. My friends, if I talk about Hyundai i20, then we get follow me home headlamps and simple conventional headlamps at the front with DRL near the fog lamp in this model. And friends, if I talk about tires in Hyundai i20, then I must say that in this car the tires are 15 inches, and in Baleno there are 16-inch tires, which looks more premium. Friends, we don't get any parking camera in Baleno, but in this car we are getting a camera as well as rear parking sensors. But sadly we do not get any rear wiper and washer in this car. And if we talk about boot space in this car, then absolutely this is less than Baleno, but we get a 15-inch tire in this car as a spare tire, whereas in Baleno we get a small tire as compared to original tires. Now my friends, it's time to talk about the interior of the car, and let's go inside the Baleno. Here on the screen you are seeing the Maruti Baleno. We get a push button start in this car. As I already told that we get keyless entry in this car. We get electrically foldable and adjustable ORVMs. We get a MID display. My friends, on screen you must have seen the image of new MID and new instrument panel in this car that we get in 2020 model. My friends, if I talk about steering wheel, then we get tilt and telescopic adjustment in Baleno. We get anti-pinch windows in Baleno, and also we get 5-speed gears. We get armrest in the center with storage spaces inside it. We get 2 airbags, ABS and EBD in Maruti Baleno as well as Hyundai i20, and also we get 7-inch touchscreen infotainment system with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto in Baleno. We have auto climate control in Baleno as well as glove box with illumination inside it. We also get a auto dimming IRVM. My friends, interestingly both the cars have almost same dimensions, same length, same wheelbase, same width, but even after that Baleno has got a very good legroom space inside it. We get adjustable headrest in Baleno with the 60:40 split seats. We also get reading lamp at rear in Maruti Baleno. So my friend, this was all about Baleno. Now let's go inside the Hyundai i20. In Hyundai i20 we get 4 speaker and 4 tweeter, whereas in Baleno we get only 4 speaker and 2 tweeter. In both the cars we get height adjustable seat. Also my friends, we get illuminated buttons in Hyundai i20 on the driver side, and If I talk about infotainment system in this car, then we get a 7-inch touchscreen system with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto in this car. But we do not get automatic climate control, we get a manual AC with 5 gears. My friends, we now only get a 1.2 liter petrol, I am saying it again. And my friends, we get a armrest with storage space inside it. We get a glove box in this car with cooling feature. I mean to say cooled glove box in this car. We get manual IRVM in this car, 2 airbags, ABS and EBD as standard in this model. Also, there is a sunglass holder in the front, which is not available in Maruti Baleno. My friends, if I talk about interior of the car, then Hyundai has done a very great job in fit and finish quality of the interior of the car and exterior as well. But Hyundai can do much better if they can provide us with adjustable headrests in this variant also, so that for rear passengers it may be more comfortable. But also we get a special feature in this car. We are getting rear AC vent, which we are not getting in Maruti Baleno. So my friends, this is all about Hyundai i20 and Maruti Baleno in this vlog. Before getting to the price of these cars, of these two models, we must read this. At end, both the cars are good at their respective prices, but I must say that for a difference of about 40,000 in their prices and Baleno offering us much more feature than i20, I must say that Baleno is the winner of this comparison. Thank you friends, कार्टून कार वाला है। अगर आपको वीडियो अच्छी लगी, लाइक कमेंट एंड शेयर करें एंड मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें एंड डोंट फॉरगेट टू प्रेस दैट बेल आइकन। बाय बाय।